Click on the Transactions button in the left menu. This is the Transaction Management screen. A transaction is a manual financial entry used to record a payment received from a customer or a payment made to a supplier, outside of the automatic payments that are recorded when a sale or purchase is processed. Use this screen to record things like a customer paying off an outstanding balance, or a payment made directly to a supplier. Form fields: customer, supplier, required. Select the customer or supplier this transaction relates to from the drop-down. Receipt: enter the receipt or reference number for this payment. This serves as the document identifier for the transaction record. Debit: amount payable by customer. Enter an amount here if you are recording money that is owed. For example, if a customer has incurred a charge that has not yet been captured through a sale, you would enter it here as a debit. This increases the customer's balance. Credit: amount received from customer. Enter an amount here if you are recording money received from the customer or paid to the supplier. This reduces the balance. For most customer payment collections, you will fill in the credit field only. Date: if your user account has back date permission enabled. A date time field will appear, allowing you to record the transaction against a past date. If this field is not visible, transactions are recorded against the current date and time. Payment mode: select how the payment was made: cash, physical cash collected, transfer, bank transfer, POS, point of sale card payment, if you select transfer or POS. A transaction reference number field will appear. Enter the bank transfer reference or POS receipt number here. Remarks: enter any notes about this transaction. For example, settlement for SLCM 1001, or partial payment against October balance. Saving options: there are two buttons. Save transaction saves the transaction and records it in the ledger. Receipt saves the transaction and opens a printable payment receipt that can be given to the customer as confirmation of their payment. Summary: use transaction management whenever a payment needs to be recorded manually, such as a customer settling a debt or a supplier receiving a payment. Always note the payment mode and reference number to maintain a complete audit trail. After saving, the transaction will appear in the customer or supplier's ledger and on the dashboard's transaction panel.